Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Make sure your Jett Dash is on the latest firmware and charged to at least 50%. Once it's powered, connect to Wi-Fi or plug in via USB so updates can complete. Open the companion app, sign in, and enable necessary permissions, then pair the device by selecting it from Bluetooth. This gets you ready to configure core settings and move into the detailed setup without delays. Once connected, configure core settings step by step so you control behavior. You'll choose a mode, Eco, Sport, or Custom, and adjust sensitivity on the 0-100 scale to match your style. Next, run the 3-step calibration routine for sensors and verify readings match expected values. Then map controls and assign shortcuts, test input latency, and confirm it stays under 50 milliseconds. Make sure to save a configuration profile. You finish by validating performance and creating a recovery plan so nothing breaks later. Run a full performance test and record baseline metrics for speed, responsiveness, and battery drain. Once satisfied, save both firmware and configuration backups to cloud or local storage. If things go wrong, first perform a factory reset, then repair the device and rerun calibration. This resolves most issues. Finally, update your notes with any custom tweaks so you can reproduce the working setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.